putting the concrete here. The rocks are feeding up into the truck. Turn it on now, I can show you that one. Here it goes.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Moves the truck. So that's that one. Let's see where are we here. Windmill. It looks like the nut is loose. I have to tighten it. Finally, yesterday I got this the sawmill going again.
Oh yeah, look.
Is it something? If I turn everything on, something quits because there's too much load on the transformer I have down here.
Oh.
The wiring system I have here is something else. Dump table. I started with the second one already. Whatever is on this side here should be on the next transformer. See, where were we here? Airport lights and the restaurant lights. And the lights right here inside and outside. Oil pump.
Oh yeah.
I've been in Texas, so you see all kinds of oil pumps. Yeah, there's a band, yeah.
I see the soccer field over here, very important.
Well, the bands, then of course I had to build. Everything has to be built.
Right.
You don't buy those kind of things.
Right.
It's like the benches over there. They're all built handmade.
Oh yeah.
Let's see, where were we now? Oh, the runway is lit. Oh, here comes the nicest piece. I ordered it and then picked it up because my brother-in-law in Hamburg, he just is working on this train set right now for about a couple of years now. In the basement, everything is digital.
Okay.
He's an electronics engineer, so he's got that. No, I don't. But the way he laid it out on the street, unbelievable what he's doing.
Now this is who? Your son?
Pardon?
Brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law?
My brother-in-law,
in Germany?
Yes. My sister's husband.
Okay.
In Hamburg. Oh, I got some pictures I can show you from that place.
I actually put one of their videos out online one time. It's still there. Takes about 20 minutes to watch the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you spent a lot of time putting that detail in.
That little structure there next to the train station is a downsized design of a house we had in Willow Springs, which is southwest of Chicago. And it's split level home, that's why the different levels too. So
Right.
it's well, that's where I spend my time. And somebody looked for me, they found me in the basement, and I'm not doing it anymore.
So what do you do now with your time?
Relax. Yesterday I came down here and cleaned up the tracks. I have a little emery cloth here on a wooden block. I go along here and just make sure they are clean. There's nothing on there. Some brass, like right in here, or over there on the crossing. It's brass. It's part of the unit that I purchased to cross the for the road. And oops, wrong train. Here we go.
Well, you managed to get a lot of...
Has one piece, a lot of brass on it,
Yeah.
and that of course corrodes. So I go over the whole track.
You managed to get a lot into a small space here.
A lot in a small space, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't add anymore. One thing I didn't have up there, it's easy to take down. The wires inside, I just separate them and I pull it off. And I can take the gondola out as well. The house up there is just sitting in a rectangle, easy to take out. The trees can be taken off. I can get this thing out of here if somebody wants it. But who wants a big thing like this in a basement?
Oh, you'd be surprised. There's people out there that would buy it.
And our kids don't want it, and they don't want it for their kids. And one is loose too here.
So why didn't we try to save ours when we moved from Duncan Street?
That's a good question. I don't know.
We took it apart, and you got half the houses and
Yeah.
trains, I guess, and I got the other half.
Mm-hmm.
I started doing something when I lived on Briarwood Street, downstairs in the basement.
No, we wouldn't have gotten it so here.
No, we put the wall up after this here. Yeah.
This was simply
Yeah.
the basement.
We said how you moved, they had it hung
But
up
I
in the
think we
truck
still
like
can
that.
get it down with the measurements from here to the top of the mountain. Everything
Yeah,
else can be
I
taken
think
off.
so.
I set it up. It's running. Are you running it now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
That's the N gauge, 11 millimeter gauge. I'm going to bring a little detector over here. Yeah.
You got a part here, you just,
Just designed it.
Designed
As I
it.
went along, I did these things. I knew I wanted to have a pond,
Right.
and I bought the sail ships, the sailboats, and people, the beach, the tools to slide down, and I just bought it right from the catalog.